Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Sayani, and in today's video, as you read the title, I will be sharing some picture ideas and also some editing tutorials, or it would be more appropriate if I would say I will share some editing tips and tricks that I use to edit some of my pictures. By the way, I have made 5 videos on how I edit my pictures and 11 videos on self-portrait ideas or picture ideas. So if you haven't checked them out already, I will link every video in the description box down below if you're interested, in case, so you can check them out after you're done watching this video, obviously. Also, you should follow me on my Instagram because you will get more picture ideas and pose ideas there too. So this is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed, so go follow me there right now and subscribe if you haven't already. One last thing, if you have participated in the giveaway that I posted last week on YouTube, which was a makeup giveaway, if you have participated in the giveaway, the results are out. Go check out the comment section of my previous video, which was a makeup tutorial. So I declared the 3 winners of the giveaway, and yeah, now let's get into the video. So for the first picture, this would be my background, and here I'm gonna keep my phone. You are going to need some flowers for this picture. Now according to the picture I had planned, everything will be in the same color yellow, the background, the top, and also the prop, which is flower. Now this is how the picture has turned out, but you can see the upper part is not looking good. I wanted the background fully covered with the yellow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the picture on PicsArt and then cropping out the unwanted parts and then saving the picture. Now this picture is still not looking good because I need to add some more space मेरे सर के ऊपर भी. So open any picture where the yellow background is more visible and then crop the picture in the Instagram ratio, which is 4:5, and go to the add photo option and add the actual picture and place it. Now to avoid any harsh line in between the two pictures, select the eraser option and erase the harsh lines. And then I still wanted to add some more flowers to the picture, so then go to the add photo option to add the same picture and crop the flower part only to add more flowers to the picture. Place it wherever you want to and erase the excess parts, and yeah, this is it. But I am still not happy with the picture because it's looking pretty boring because everything is in the same color. So I thought, let's change the color of my top. So go to the tools tab and select the adjust option, and then I'm reducing the saturation of the picture so that it would be easier to understand where to erase the adjust settings. Now select the eraser option and erase all the parts except the top, then adjust other settings like hue, temperature, shadows, highlights to edit the colors, and yeah, your dress color is changed. And when you are satisfied with the color, save it. And lastly, I edited this picture a little, and yeah, this is the final picture. For the next picture ideas, just click some random pictures with the flower with any Instagram filter, and then open PicsArt and go to the background option. Select any color. I am selecting the white. Then crop this picture in the size of the Instagram ratio, and then go to the add photo option and add the pictures you want to add, and then crop the pictures according to your need and then place them like this. Then go to the sticker option and you have to type film frame. I am choosing this white frame. Then add the same sticker as much as you needed. Then place the frames like this, adjust their sizes according to the pictures, and yeah, this is the final picture. It looks so aesthetic, and yeah. So for this pictures, you just need to keep your phone on the floor, then sit and pose like this. Here are some more examples, but you can see the sky is looking pretty boring. So to add a beautiful sky, I am going to use this app called Light Leap. So open the picture here and then go to the option called sky, and here you will find plenty of skies to choose from, but everything is not free here. So I have chosen this sky. You can see you can move the clouds or the sky to adjust adjust it accordingly. It will automatically add sky to your picture, but you can see कुछ parts में sky add नहीं हुई है. So for that, go to this option and यहाँ से you can add or erase the sky according to your need. So I am just adding the sky जहाँ जहाँ पे मुझे add करनी है, and yeah, you are done. Then save the picture, and this is how I have added this beautiful skies to my pictures. And lastly, I have applied my own preset in Lightroom. So yeah. So for this picture, I am going to keep my phone here, and for prop I am going to use this. I don't know what this is called, बस ऐसे छत पे पड़ी थी, so I used it as my prop. Anyway, you can use a broom instead of it. So you just have to hold the tip of the broom very close to the camera like this, so it will create a effect like this, and try posing like this. Now, when I actually clicked this picture a few months back, this thing was more flexible. I don't know what happened to it, but it's not that flexible anymore when I was trying to recreate this picture, so please ignore that. And this is how the picture have turned out. Now to edit this picture, I am using this app called Snow. So open the picture here and you will find a plenty of effects and filters here for free. So I am using this pinkish filter called Floral 2, and then applying this dreamy kind of filter called 90s pink, because these pictures are looking a little dreamy to me, so this filters will be appropriate for these pictures. And lastly, going to the effects tab and adding this prism kind of effect. And as you can see, there are a plenty of effects and filters to choose from, so choose it according to your picture. And yeah, these are the final results. For this picture, keep your phone upside down on the floor, and I have kept a dupatta very close to the camera to give it an effect from the lower side of the picture. And you are going to need 2 more coloring dupattas. Now set the timer, and when the timer is in between 2 to 1 second, start throwing the dupattas in the air like this. Keep doing this again and again, and yeah, this is how the picture has turned out. And I have edited this picture on Lightroom, just applied my preset, and yeah. For this picture, you are going to need a leaf and cut out a small part of it. Now hold the leaf very close to the camera and you are done. Now pose something, do something like this, pose, and yeah. This trick can make your boring selfies look interesting, and these are the results. And yeah, that's all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to comment down below and do let me know what do you guys want to see next, or anything you want. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, and also share this video with your friends. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.